Last month, the deputy commander of China's Air Force, Wang Way, announced that the nation will soon unveil its first stealth bomber, known to most of us as the AG-20. The long-awaited unveiling of China's next-generation stealth bomber, the H-20, has reached its final development stage, and without a doubt or surprise, it has caused significant concern within the U.S. military and intelligence communities. When the H-20 does enter service, it will represent the only stealth bomber on the planet, a revolutionary aircraft with extremely advanced stealth technology. This development will undoubtedly place China one step closer to the throne of ruling aerial warfare. Today's episode will uncover China's upcoming next-generation stealth bomber and how the U.S. is extremely concerned about it. The development of China's H-20 stealth bomber has reached its final stage, sparking considerable concern in the United States. The H-20, a next-generation strategic bomber, is primed and ready to significantly bolster China's anti-access area denial strategy that aims to deter U.S. military action in the event of a contingency involving Taiwan with capabilities totally rivaling our bombers. This new aircraft is a major point of concern for U.S. military officials. At a recent ceremony in Hawaii marking the change of leadership of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin voiced strong apprehensions about the rapid modernization of the Chinese military. Austin noted that China, or the People's Republic of China, PRC, is the only country with both the ambition and the growing capability to dominate the Indo-Pacific region and reshape the global order to fit its autocratic vision. He emphasized that this is why China remains the primary challenge for the U.S. Department of Defense. The H-20 bomber could indeed be a game-changer. It is believed to have been developed independently by China, and according to an annual report from the U.S. Defense Department released in October, the H-20 can fly over 10,000 kilometers without the need for aerial refueling. This extended range, combined with its ability to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons and its advanced stealth capabilities that make it difficult to detect, significantly enhance China's strategic reach. Imagine the strategic implications if an aircraft could fly undetected across vast distances, potentially reaching key U.S. territories and allies in the Pacific. The current mainstay of the Chinese bomber fleet, the H-6, is based on an old Soviet design and lacks the range and stealth capabilities of the H-20, while the H-6 can strike targets as far as the U.S. military base in Guam. Susceptible to interception due to its lack of stealth. In contrast, the H-20's stealth technology will allow it to evade air defenses, making it a more formidable threat since China announced its plans to develop the H-20 in 2016. Progress on the bomber has been largely kept under WPS. However, a statement from Wang Way, deputy commander of the Chinese Air Force, in March of this year has brought renewed attention to the project. He hinted that an official announcement about the H-20 would be coming soon, prompting speculation and concern worldwide. China's A2AD strategy aims to prevent U.S. forces from entering the first island chain, which includes the Nan's Islands and the Philippines, and to block U.S. military movements within the second island chain, which extends further east of the H-20. With its ability to penetrate air defense networks and approach targets undetected, it is expected to enhance the Chinese military's success rate in potential conflicts. Junichi Araki, a former left-wing general of Japan's Air Self-Defense Force, stated that the H-20 would significantly undermine the strategic advantage held by the United States and Japan, boosting China's ability to prevent U.S. military intervention in a Taiwan contingency as China rapidly develops its military capabilities. It is also working to overcome its lack of combat experience. To this end, China has been conducting joint training exercises with Russia, which has extensive combat experience. Since July 2019, China and Russia have been performing joint bomber flights near Japan, likely aiming to enhance China's operational capabilities. China's military ambitions are not limited to the air. At the 2022 National Congress of the Chinese Communist Party, President Xi Jinping emphasized the need to strengthen the nation's nuclear capabilities and build a powerful strategic deterrence system. China's strategic nuclear forces are built on three pillars: nuclear-capable B-BRs, ground-launched intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, and submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs. It seems President Xi's aim of building a world-class military is continuously. China's naval sector has seen its own share of developments, with Fujian completing its sea trials. And on top of that, a drone carrier being unveiled but at the same time kept secret by the Chinese Navy aerial sector shows the H-20 bomber in topic, as well as a long-awaited sixth-generation stealth fighter, which has been kept secret since its underdevelopment in the naval domain. China's strategic nuclear submarines currently carry the JL-2 SLBM, which has a range of about 7,200 kilometers. There is speculation that China is progressing with the deployment of the JL-3 SLBM, which boasts a range of approximately 12,000 kilometers, potentially covering the entire United States. Mainland, the introduction of the H-20 will further enhance China's nuclear capabilities in the air, adding another dimension to its strategic deterrence for the Xi administration, which is committed to building a world-class military. The H-20 is a symbol of China's advanced technological capabilities. The development of this strategic bomber highlights China's ambition to assert its power on the global stage as it continues to modernize its military. The balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond is likely to shift, raising critical questions about future geopolitical dynamics. What does this mean for the United States and its allies? The development of the H-20 signals a significant shift in the strategic landscape, with the ability to fly long distances undetected and deliver powerful payloads. The H-20 poses a new challenge for us defense planners. The extended range of stealth capabilities of this bomber will necessitate changes in our and allied defense strategies, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. Could this lead to a new arms race? As China continues to advance its military technology, other nations may feel compelled to enhance their own capabilities. In response, this could lead to increased military spending and a focus on developing new technologies to counteract the threat posed by the H-20 and other advanced Chinese military assets. Also, the collaboration between China and Russia in military training and operations could strengthen the strategic partnership between these two countries, presenting a united front against us and our allied interests. This growing cooperation is a development that the U.S. and its allies will feel the need to monitor closely. But all in all, the final stage of development for China's H-20 stealth bomber marks a significant milestone in China's military modernization efforts, with much talk about China's upcoming next-generation stealth bomber and how the U.S. is extremely concerned about it.